So this is how you open this Mido from the 1970s. It is very weird. You take a tool like that, and you start pushing. Sometimes you push from one side and it doesn't move much, but you go to the other side and comes right out. Once you have almost half of the pin out, you will grab the pin with the pliers and be very gentle, very gentle. There you go. And it comes right out. Okay? To put it back in, make sure that you're pressing hard on the cover. Okay? There you go. See? I'm pressing hard on it. Once it's a little bit in, push it with your finger a little bit just to make sure it's in. Okay? And then now go right back to that tool. And always don't try to push it like all at once. Just little by little, little by little, be gentle. Because if that thing breaks, good luck finding one. But this is a weird way to open up a watch case. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that have no idea this way of opening a case exists. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. And as I told you, this is weird, and it is weird. Let me know what you think in the comments below.